The small details that you end up worrying about with other pedestal manufacturers are just not things that you have to think about with Wattz Up. FractalEV is a level 2 EVSE manufacturer based in Canada. So we manufacture our chargers here in Ontario, and we work in all kinds of different commercial level 2 projects. We do everything from high-impact fleet projects to commercial charging, workplace charging, multifamily homes, and really broad spectrum scenarios where people need high reliability commercial equipment. We've used all kinds of different pedestals and tried a lot of different manufacturers. The kinds of things that we were hearing about from our customers with pedestals were largely around logistics of receiving them, and then also about transparency on where they were in the logistics process, right? Which is another piece. Can you get the chargers on time? And also, even if you're going to get them on time, do you know that they're coming? And so that kind of stuff is really critical. And then the other piece of it is that the information for being able to install the chargers is really important that is very clear. So with other pedestals, sometimes there was just it's not that there was anything wrong with the pedestal, but the information wasn't there for being able to install it easily. So there was a lot of back and forth on where do I find this piece of information? How do I get this thing that I need to be able to put the pedestal in the ground? I think one of the really good things about Wattz Up pedestals is that they're very clearly come from an engineering background, and the pedestals are very well engineered and just have good design decisions that result in a smooth installation experience and a robust site. And then on top of that, because they have that kind of control over the product, working with them means that you can get specific information that you need about the products. You can also make quick adjustments. There's really communicative. They don't have the little things that are issues with other pedestals, right? Everything just kind of works. You don't have to stress about, how these pieces fit together or the tolerances on this part or what kind of screws being used here. The small details that you end up worrying about with other pedestal manufacturers are just not things that you have to think about with Wattz Up. There aren't those kinds of follow-on questions from customers. As a EV charger manufacturer, the thing that we want to do is provide our customers with a cohesive experience. And probably the biggest advantage that we found with Wattz Up is that we're able to provide that. Even though we're not manufacturing the pedestal directly, we're able to supply our customers with a single solution that feels like they're buying from one vendor and doesn't feel like they're having to source things from a bunch of different vendors and put together something piecemeal, which is ultimately why they're buying a pedestal from the charger manufacturer in the first place. So a lot of the time people select pedestals based solely on cost, based solely on do they fit whatever checkbox is the biggest checkbox that's in front of them for their specific project. And then when they get the pedestal on site, they end up running into little issues that often aren't catastrophic, but they add time to the install or they add complexity to the install, which drives up cost in a kind of a sneaky way. And the nice thing with the Wattz Up pedestals is they just kind of show up and they just work and they go in the ground and people don't have issues with them. And even if that's not part of the selection criteria up front, it becomes a big value add kind of downstream when you're actually executing the project. Yep, we continue to recommend Wattz Up for most of our charging projects. We're looking to be able to provide Wattz Up as kind of a standard Fractal solution where we can provide people with Fractal chargers, a Wattz Up pedestal, but to the customer, it looks like they're able to just get a single solution. And, we're excited about our opportunity to continue to do that with Wattz Up.